Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Mike here from teamhiraadventures. Hope everyone having a blessed day. Johnny cold weather. We did deep freeze in New York. Hopefully we get out of the deep freeze soon. Hi guys, so today's video I'm going to make some tandoori chicken, curry tandoori chicken. First time I'm making this chicken, I have to get a recipe from one of my friend. She from India. She gave me a basic recipe. I know everybody use a lot of different cinnamon stick, bay leaf, a lot of different stuff, but I'm not using cinnamon stick or bay leaf in this. I will show you the ingredients, but right now I have like a pack of chicken leg, cut it in two, and I slit it. So I'm going to marinate that first, put it back in the fridge, and then I'm going to prepare the stuff for the curry. I want to thank everyone again. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you for your support of the channel. So let me show you the chicken I have. I have a marinade for the tandoori chicken curry. So this is the chicken here. It was a pack of chicken leg. So this recipe called for like 2 pounds of chicken. You can use the thigh, the leg. I cut the leg in two. You can use the breast, but the breast normally, because you really mash real fast. So it's best to use bone chicken with the bone inside. So the thigh and thing is good, the leg is good. So I'll season this with some yogurt. About 4 tablespoons yogurt. Got 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. I have some ginger paste. You can use fresh ginger, grate the fresh ginger and use it also. But I have the ginger paste, so I will use that. So that one marinate the chicken with. Then I got some salt, Himalayan salt, with a teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Because once we cook in the curry, then we got some more salt. Check back the salt later. Seasoning also, some sesame oil, some garlic powder, some onion powder. Because they don't have this in the recipe, so I will add that. So let me get it to the seasoning, and then we go put it back in the fridge, like sit in the fridge for 20-30 minutes. You can actually season it overnight, leave it in the fridge overnight, and do it next day. Alright, so we're going to put over 4 tablespoons of yogurt. 2, 3, 4. We got 1 teaspoon of the ginger. And you can, as I told you, you can grate the fresh ginger and use the fresh one, but I have this, so I use that. And this is a tandoori masala. We use this 1 teaspoon, 2 pieces of fresh garlic in here, I'm using coconut milk. You can use whole milk. I'm using coconut milk, and you can use fresh tomato, but I'm using 1 can of 8 ounce tomato for the curry. We got about a teaspoon of salt. Now, this is optional, but I always like to use a little sesame oil, and a little garlic powder also. You can put a little onion powder. So that's good for the seasoning for the chicken. This is good there. So we'll cover this, put it back in the fridge. They sit there for the next 20, 25 minutes, 30 minutes. So this is the for the curry now. 1 tablespoon of the tandoori masala. I have a teaspoon of garlic. I have a teaspoon of chili powder, and I'm using some garam masala also. So I have a little less than a teaspoon of garam masala. And this is the ginger. And there's the turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. And I'm using coconut milk. You know, a lot of people use whole heavy fat cream milk. You can use that also. You can use the regular milk, the whole milk, but then you gotta put something to get it, the broth thick. So you can put heavy cream to make the broth get a little thick. But I'm using coconut milk. And I have the onion here. Just wash it, let it drain. So then we can start to put everything together. And I have the yogurt. I can still add back a little yogurt into the chicken when I drop it in the kahari. So that's the ingredients for the curry. Then we got some salt later. Now this, if you want, you can put fresh chili powder, chili. If you have fresh chili, you can cut about 2 or 3 fresh chili and put it in. Depends on how hot you want it, how you want a lot of heat, a lot spicy. Alright, so I will take the chicken out of the fridge now, and then we go to the stove and start get cooking. And so your onion is good here, we add our garlic. We let the garlic caramelize first before we put the garlic paste, but that's garlic paste and not fresh garlic. Alright, so this is our chicken. We're going to add the chicken in now. Alright guys, so that's your chicken cooking there right now. You cook some more, and then we're going to add the rest of the seasoning, the rest of the spice. Add the tomato sauce, the coconut milk, and let it cook from 20-25 minutes and should be done. Alright guys, so that's the chicken there now. Cooked there. We got all our spice in here now. We add the turmeric. Our tandoori masala, chili powder, and the garam masala. Give this a stir. Look, look how beautiful it look already. So we're going to add the coconut milk now and the tomato sauce. Alright, so the tomato sauce. We add the coconut milk. So we'll give this a stir. Alright guys, so we cover this here now and let it cook down for about 20 minutes, 20-25 minutes, and the tandoori curry chicken is done. I just tasted the salt is good, everything is good, you don't need anything more now. You just let it cook down and it's finished. Alright guys, so my tandoori chicken curry is finished. Just tasted, everything is good. Everything have enough salt, enough spice. Alright guys, so this is basmati rice my wife just make in the crock pot to eat with the tandoori chicken curry. Alright guys, so I have a piece chicken, some of the broth. Chicken is falling apart. Real good. You can add a lot more spice. You can make it with whole milk, heavy cream, water. I use coconut milk and it tastes real good. Hope you like this recipe guys. Give it a like, comment, share, subscribe. See you back soon in the next video.